Everyone, I'm going to solve exercise 1b question number 1. If x is directly proportional to y cube and x is equal to 32 and when y is equal to 2, find an equation connecting x and y. Find the value of x when y is equal to 6. Calculate the value of y when x is equal to 108. Draw the graph of x against y cube. Now we are going to solve first part of this question. Find an equation connecting x and y. Solution: x is a directly proportional to y cube. X is a directly proportional to y cube. This is a proportionality sign. Proportionality sign change with equality sign. We insert a constant k, like x is equal to k y cube, where k is a constant. Where k is constant, we need find the value of k first of all, and for that we have given the value of x and y when. Now putting the value of x and y in that equation, x is equal to 32 is equal to k y cube, y is equal to 2 cube, 32 is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8k. Find the value of k. We have to divide 8 on both sides. 8 cancel out. 8 4s are 32. K is equal to 4. Putting the value of k in that equation, it will be x is equal to k for y cube. X is equal to 4y cube. Now second part of this question, find the value of x when y is equal to 6. That equation will use in all parts. We have given value of y is equal to 6, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6, 6 cube, x is equal to 4, multiply 6 cube is equal to 216. Now 4 multiplied by 216 is equal to 864. Now third part of this question is calculate the value of y when x is equal to 108. We will use the same equation. X is equal to 4 y cube. We have given the value of x. X is equal to 108. 108 4 y cube. Find the value of y. We have to divide 4 on both sides. 4 cancel out. 4 ones are 4 and 2 7. Y cube is equal to 27. Now taking the cube root on both sides, it will be y is equal to 3. Now we are going to solve fourth part of this question. Draw the graph of x against y cube. We will use the same equation. X is equal to 4y cube. Now we putting the value of x, we will find the value of y when x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, 4 y cube. Draw the graph of x against y cube. Here we find the value of y cube. For that we are going to 4 divide on both sides. 4 cancel out. 1 divided by 4 is equal to y cube is equal to 0.25. When x is equal to 2, put the value of x in that equation. 2 is equal to 4 y cube. We find the value of y. We have to divide 4 on both sides. 4 cancel out. 2 divided by 4 is equal to y is equal to 0.5 when x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, 4 y cube, 4 cancel out, 3 divided by 4, y cube is equal to 0.75. Here I will put the value of x 3 times, and we got the value of y cube 1 2 3. Now we draw the graph. Draw the graph. Vertical is y cube axis, y axis we know that, but here is y cube, and horizontal is x axis. Now put the value x axis and y cube axis. One box is equal to 1. Here we will take the value y cube according the difference of y cube's value 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. When x is equal to 1, y cube is equal to 0.25, x is equal to 1, but we have 0.2. Value of y cube 0.25, 0.25 here. When x is equal to 2, we got the value of y cube 0.5, 0.5. When x is equal to 3, y cube is equal to 0.75 to 3 dot. Now joining the dots carefully. Last point is x 3, y is equal to 0.75. There is a directly proportional graph, is a straight line passing through origin. I hope student you understand it very well. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with friends. Thank you for watching.